and welcome back to Heart and Soul Homes. My name is Monica. In today's video, I am going to be doing some springtime garden little chores. We're first going to take care of planting all of the bulbs that I have had in my refrigerator all winter. I force freeze them because here in Arizona, we do not get cold enough. So I put them in the refrigerator for all winter, and then in the early spring is when I put them down in the ground, and that's what we're doing today. I'm also going to take care of a couple of planters that have just had some foliage that burned off during the winter, and I'm just going to go ahead and pull that out and add a little bit of spring plants and just some fertilizer and some new dirt. Since my back has been kind of acting up a little bit, I am having some help doing this. But what I wanted to just show you is kind of the how-to and the tool that we use in order to do the bulbs, and it makes it much easier. But I just wanted to take you kind of step by step of how we go ahead and do this so that you could do that in your home as well. Like I mentioned earlier, for me in Arizona, planting in November, the bulbs doesn't really work because we do not have a cold enough period of time that it takes for these to root in and to be, come up in the spring. So what I do, and most people, that live in a climate like mine, will put in the refrigerator all winter. And then early spring, like now, I could have probably even done it a week ago, but at least right now we're getting it done. And then these will all start sprouting, when it really warms up in the spring here, instead of just being in the ground, frozen over the winter. We're just putting them in the ground now, and then we should have some good growth on them. For me with the bulbs, I like to do kind of like sprays of color or sprays of a type, like one area, a whole circle, like you'll see in the area with the tall planter. I went ahead and put the alliums around, and then we'll disperse alliums in different places around the yard, but at least that will it'll grow up tall around that planter. And then I've got a spray of tulips going one way, hyacinth going another way, daffodils going another way. And that way it just kind of, when you're looking at it and you're looking at an area, it's just kind of like a whole area is one color or one type instead of just, here and there. But however you want to do your bulbs, just lay it out first. Know how it's going to go, how it's going to look, and just kind of get a feel. And then go ahead and do your digging of the holes. This is a great tool. It was a little harder for me with my back, just trying to get the dirt out. But I think that was our dirt, and it's just kind of a clayey type of dirt. So I think that's why me personally was having a little bit harder time. But this is actually a really good tool to use. It makes the exact type of hole you need, around, deep, everything. And then all you got to do is just pop your bulb down with the root side coming up so it sprouts up, and then cover it up and make sure you've got water to it, and you're good to go. And I did this all around the yard, and I think, it's going to be a beautiful show if everything comes up in the spring.
Your number, baby. I'll give you mine if you give me yours. Can I call tomorrow, maybe? Ooh, I'm feeling down, so can you be my cure? Say, can I, can I, can I, can I, can I get yours? Can I get yours? Say, can I, can I, can I, can I, can I get yours? Can I get yours? I get tired just thinking about you. Waste too much time with you on my mind. I just wanna call you. Please stay on the line so I don't waste more time. Say, can I, can I, can I, can I, can I get yours? Can I get yours? Say, can I, can I, can I, can I, can I get yours? Can I get yours? Baby, just say yes. Can I get your number? If you give me it, promise I won't bother. Let it sink around till like I don't know it. Baby, just say yes. Can I get your number?
And with these planters, I will do more planters and, fill in and change out flowers as needed. But this just made me a little bit happy. I just, I haven't bought any plants for so long, and just getting some fun, beautiful, bright colors for the spring. And then adding them to these plants or pots that, just kind of lost some plants during the winter. It's just so festive and so beautiful to look out my kitchen window and see these. So, if you're in an area where you can, maybe you don't have to go full force, but just go in and buy a couple of plants and just put them somewhere where you can see them and just feel the joy from them and the bright colors, and it just lifts your spirits.
I don't want nobody stabbing me with love. Don't wanna waste no time getting my feelings hurt. I believe in those things we don't know much of. There's just so much to see that ain't about love. I'm ready to face my fears. I'm ready to taste the weird. I just wanna walk the hills above. My ordinary life, I could let it burn. 'Cause I just wanna go, go, go to the deep end. I just wanna go, go, go to the deepest end. No planning, no stress, and no work, no trying to fix what we are. Just go, go, go to the deepest end. I never got to let loose, hanging out with you. You tossed and you turned our love into a stiff statue. My brain was having enough, like my thoughts just stopped. Now all I think of is leaving this bad old spot. I'm ready to face my fears. I'm ready to taste the weird. I just wanna walk the hills above. My ordinary life, I could let it burn. 'Cause I just wanna go, go, go to the deep end. I just wanna go, go, go to the deepest end. No planning, no stress, and no work, no trying to fix what we are. Just go, go, go to the deepest end. I can't forget what you've done. The way you act won't take me back. Just go, go, go. Go, go, go. Yeah, I can't forget what you've done. The way you act won't take me back. Just go, go, go. Go, go. 'Cause I just wanna go, go, go to the deep end. I just wanna go, go, go to the deepest end. No planning, no stress, and no work, no trying to fix what we have. Just go, go, go to the deepest end. Go, go, go. Go, go, go.
Call me a rover, 'cause I'm a believer of the things we leave. I never hold on, ready for whatever there is left in me. Crash and burn, oh my God, stumble upon what is just my luck, just my luck. 'Cause even if I try to play it cool, I keep on circle back to what I do. I crash a little harder and hide the tools, yeah. We could try to be more than friends. The secret of how it ends. It starts with the figure, keep getting bigger. We watch it go down in flames. Don't wanna know your name. That's how we know it ends. It starts with the figure, keep getting bigger. We watch it go down in flames. Hang on the ropes now, 'cause I wanna feel your body next to me. Get a bit closer, just a bare second till we're falling deep. Crash and burn, oh my God, look on your face, it's just my luck. Move so fast, 'cause even if I try to play it cool, I keep on circle back to what I do. I crash a little harder and hide the tools, yeah. We could try to be more than friends. The secret of how it ends. It starts with the figure, keep getting bigger. We watch it go.
You need water? Okay, a little bit more. Oh. Like maybe here? Yeah, here. That's a good one. Yeah, a little bit more. Where else? Oh, you're gonna water the bicycle?
I feel it under my skin. I feel it, I'm gonna give in. We could try to be more than friends. The secret of how it ends. It starts with the figure, keep getting bigger. We watch it go down in flames. Don't wanna know your name. That's how we know it ends. It starts with the figure, keep getting bigger. We watch it go down in flames.
Well, that's going to do it, guys. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you got a little motivation. Maybe you found a new tool you might be able to use for planting, not just tulips, but any kind of bulb. But I hope I motivated, gave you some good information, and you know, just get out there and try it. Try gardening. It's so therapeutic and such a fun thing to do. And it just feeds your soul. I tell you, that much is true. It just totally feeds your soul, and just watching something grow and nurture it is a beautiful thing. I hope you guys have a great day. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the like, and please comment below. I'd love to hear your garden stories and see any pictures of your gardens. I love to see that. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.